Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for November 23rd. Currently looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair did gap down at the open on Sunday. It did fill that gap fairly quickly. It did close up for the session. Still overall moving sideways, even though it broke the support lines, the lows of the past several sessions. Did pull back up to close higher. We are looking for this pair to continue moving sideways with a bias that is sideways, possibly moving as high as 89.64, possibly as low as 87.99. Look for some resistance around 89.50 and look for some support around 88.50. Okay, now looking at the Euro-USD pair. This pair closed higher today, still moving sideways overall. We are looking for this pair to potentially move as high as 150.69, possibly as low as 147.68. Look for some resistance around 5,000 and look for some support around 148.50. Okay, now the pound US dollar pair. This particular pair has closed higher. It did form an inside bar today, so look for a breakout. We are looking for this pair to continue moving sideways with a bias that is sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 167.38, possibly as low as 163.79. Look for some resistance around 166.50 and look for some support around 164.50. Okay, now the US Swiss, this particular pair has closed down for this past session. We are looking for this pair to continue moving sideways with a bias that is sideways. Look for it to possibly go as high as 1.0251, possibly as low as 10016. Look for some resistance around 10200 and look for some support around 10075. Well, that about wraps us up for the charts. We do have the U.S. releasing their gross domestic product for the third quarter tomorrow at 8:30 Eastern Time. Consensus is things have dipped a little bit from 3.5% to 2.9%. Overall, we have the U.S. Releasing their consumer confidence report at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that it has moved from 47.7 to 47.5. Not a very big move. Nothing really to be concerned with on that. Now, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, we have a 4 qualifying bar pivot reversal right here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we also have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 qualifying bar pivot reversal, which is significant as far as potential breakouts. We also have a swing trade setup that was created here over this last 3 bars. So what I'm looking for is to grab between the two. If we get a breakout to the upside, let me actually put on some trend lines. Maybe it'll be a little bit cleaner, some horizontal lines here to show you exactly what I'm looking for here. This should be just a little bit higher, maybe the 1.5047 mark. Basically looking to buy here and to exit at this point. It's not a huge trade, but it is one that could potentially grab some pips. Let's take a look at exactly how many. Looks like about a 30 pip move on this in the Euro USD. Not sure if we'll get it, but nonetheless, it's definitely one to take a look at. Well, something that's interesting is if you take this mark, you know, some highs here, past couple sessions, real close to this area of support, or I'm sorry, of resistance that we've seen, you know, here, 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 and here. You draw the line, it intersects pretty well there with that one, and we can see that if we get a breakout of this resistance area, it should go ahead and move on higher. Well, that about does it for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.